Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode. If you've installed a Android head unit on your Skoda Superb Mark II, keep in mind Skoda Superb Mark II, this is from 2008 to 2015, I guess. So if you have a Skoda Superb Mark II and you've installed an Android head unit and you have no sound, it probably because the amplifier isn't turning on. So you have two options. First, it's usually you have an amplifier control wire at the back of your head unit. Yeah, if you don't have the wire, there is the CAN bus problem. So in order for you to solve this CAN bus problem, you have to disconnect the negative wires, the negative wire of the battery, and let it sit for 15-20 minutes maybe. After that, you plug it back on and the system will restore, and it will turn the amplifier through your ignition. Okay, so because if the amplifier stays on, you will drain out your battery. So that's how it literally works. If you have no sound, you either connect the amp wire. If you don't have an amplifier control wire, you have to disconnect the battery for 10-20 minutes, let it sit. After that, you come back, you put it back on, and you will see you have sound. That applies for Skoda Superb Mark II, okay? Not Mark 1. I don't know Mark 1. I don't know Mark 3. That's what I have. That was my problem, and I will show you the system works. So now let's play something. I don't want to get any copyright issue. I don't have any copyright issues, but you can see it does work. I have sound, and whenever I put the ignition on, the amplifier turns on. So if that helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting new videos, how to fix cars and how to repair, and it's a long list.